So if we look up, si vemos arriba, hold on. That's the daughter. Ready, Rosy? So hey, Rosy. We got Sasha, Rosy, Bibi. They're getting along really well. I think Rosy already knows that Sasha's been a sister, you know? And yeah, they were super excited like they never left. Introduction. Allow us to introduce these three beautiful beings. To the right, Sasha. In the middle, Rosy. To the left, daughter of Rosy, Bibi. Thanks to Mom also caring for her. This is amazing. The reunion. I wonder, I'm pretty sure it'll be just as nice when we reunite with the Pops. So yeah, support the fundraiser, yo.